Hi, my name is Christopher Paul. I'll be presenting to you a 12-week free career in data analytics, and I'll be showing you a lot of things that you may need to know around this particular field. Now, we are to learn um, most application in data analytics, which we know as the Excel, the Power BI, the Tableau, and also we also go ahead to learn SQL. Now, before we get started, I'll be showing you all this course and uploading all this course into YouTube, and you can go ahead to watch this course um, every 3 days because we'll be having this class every 3 days, and you can come ahead and ask me questions and you interact with me. Whatever I have shown you in the course of this course and you may not or you do not understand, so you can go ahead and ask me question or you drop your question. Now, before we dive into, I want to show you my YouTube channel, so you can go ahead, you subscribe, and you also interact by engaging in the channel, so that whenever I post, like whenever I drop the new video, you also get to see the video and you watch through it and practice everything I'm going to show you. If you are a beginner, I suggest that you do not miss any part of whatever I'm going to show you in this course. Make sure you practice everything. Without practicing anything in this course or just watching the video will not help you. I am to guide you in the next 12 weeks. So let's get started. We'll be showing you my YouTube channel. Okay, here is the YouTube. Um, for you to get to my YouTube channel, and you have to type Christo Dab. Like I told you, my name is Christopher Paul. So you type Christo Dab. Here you will see this logo, and as you can see, there are other videos I've posted in this channel. So you can go ahead and click on Crystal Dabs. Okay, on your page you'll be seeing um, each of these courses I'm going to post daily, or I'm going to post every 3 days on this channel. I will create a playlist in which you can easily get to see each of these video without having to navigate, or I will share it on a WhatsApp group where we all be meeting and be dropping each questions we have in our mind. So here is Crystal Dab. So please subscribe to the channel, and I will also implore you to always like and comment on the video each time you get to see it. That will make us or every other person who wants to acquire a career in data analytics to see this. Okay, these are the value I'll be bringing to you. We're going to work on over 10 projects you can present as a past experience, and I'll be bringing to you this class from beginners to master class. I am going to take each of these tools from beginners to master class as I promised you. Now, getting a freelancing job on remote, webinar, and maximizing your skills on Upwork and LinkedIn is a tutorial. I'll be showing you these on the live classes after we have completely finished this course. So let's dive into the value I'm going to bring to you on the demanding skill that is out there in data analytics. Okay, I'll be bringing to you MX Excel. These are the following things we're going to learn, and we're going to learn beyond this. And since I have given you an access and a reach out to my YouTube channel, you can also learn beyond what I'll be providing to you at this beginners class of this course. So I will go ahead to show you a side-by-side tutorial on Power BI and Tableau. These are the following things you're going to learn, and beyond this, I'm promising you that you're going to gain a lot and you'll become a data analyst in the course of 12 weeks. Okay, I will also forge ahead to teach you things in database and using Microsoft SQL. There are other database editor which we have, which can be the Progress SQLs, the Progress SQLs, NoSQL, and other SQL we have out there. It is not just a Microsoft SQL we use for database. Depending on the company's usage or the company tool they use, each of these application or the syntax they use in querying each this database are all the same, but they are just a slight difference. I'm going to show you the slight difference in each of these database, and you can easily assimilate and adapt to any of the two if you ever come across it. So you might not be need to be scared while you're learning Microsoft SQL and saying that I don't have a knowledge of Progress SQL. They are all queries language. Okay, then I'm going to show you on how to maximize your skill using ChatGPT and AI. Now, this is a very, very critical area. So many people do not know that there are a lot of things they can be able to do using ChatGPT. Now, I will advise you as a beginner, you do not need to learn ChatGPT. You do not need to start using ChatGPT while you are a beginner, because you won't learn anything. You won't get to know the skeleton of data analytics. So I will advise you, and I will suggest that you master your basic to advance. Then maximizing your productivity, you will need the AI tool or ChatGPT to get along. So I'll be watching you go close to this course and get started in the next 12 weeks. And trust me, I'll be providing you a certificate for this course, and you'll be proud that in the next 3 months you're happy to meet me and get started with this course.